what's up YouTube? This is your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. Today I got another video for y'all. This is a skin fade, and my client came in today, said that he wanted a skin fade, and he didn't really want to touch the top too much because he got a very low cut last time. He got an even half all the way around, and he allowed it to grow for about a week, and this week he wants to just fade the sides. Okay, so here we go. I just balded out the bottom. Now I got my Andis Masters opened all the way, and I'm actually fading up for about 2 inches. Okay, this is again a half haircut. It's a very simple haircut, and when I say a half haircut, I'm actually going to fade and cut only one side of this head, and then I'll go back and do the other side. So this is a half a haircut. Like I said, sometimes you might not notice, but I'm gonna actually fade this side first, and then I'll go back at the end of this and fade the other side first, just so my videos don't be that long. Okay, so I had the lever opened all the way and went up 2 inches. Now I got the lever closed all the way, and I'm going up about a 1/4 inch. Okay, now after this 1/4 inch, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the lever halfway, and I'll go up another 1/4 inch, so that way I have a transition. Okay, so right now the lever's closed all the way, and I'm trying to erase that bottom line. Okay, and for the most part the bottom line is disappearing. So if you pay attention and watch closely, you'll realize that I'm gonna go ahead and open the clipper halfway. There we go, and then I'm gonna fade up another 1/4 inch high, right above what I've just had the lever closed all the way. Okay. Now what I'll do next, and I know I'm kind of talking ahead of this video, is I'll go ahead and grab my purple magnetic guard, the half guard, the smallest guard, and I'll leave the lever closed all the way and fade right above this right here. Okay, so like I said, I went from the Andis Masters opened all the way to closed all the way, erasing that bottom line, then open halfway, right in between. Now I got the smallest purple magnetic guard, which is the half guard, and I am fading right above where I left off at before when I had went up 2 inches. Okay, if that doesn't make sense to you, I'm not sure how to say it to make it make sense, but just hit the rewind button and pay attention to what I'm doing, and you will understand. I hope I don't confuse anybody by doing this or saying this, but if you just pay attention and kind of rewind this video, you should be able to figure out what I'm doing exactly. Okay, so now I'm fading upwards, and okay, so I actually opened the lever just a little bit so it could have a little more transition to the top, and I think we're in pretty good shape right here. So the next step, I'm gonna actually do a liner, edge up, tape up, lining, however you call it, from whatever side of the country that you're in. Those of you overseas, I'm sure y'all got your own terminology for a tape up, edge up, line up, clean up, shape up, outline, however you call it. But I'm actually using my T-outliners to fade out the bottom line. I guess I can still see it. So this is one of those things that you use the corner of the blade, you kind of flick upward and out, and that'll actually help you erase that bottom line. So I'm fast forwarding through this part right here, getting you guys to see what I've done. And like I said, this is only a half haircut, so you know, pay attention. Oh yeah, shout out to my boy Cam. This is Chris, his mother. Chris wanted to say hey to the camera. I actually had the audio on for this part right here, but I mistakenly erased the audio, so I guess I could just tell y'all what she was saying. She was just saying hey, she hadn't been in for a while because she had got into a car wreck, and she just wanted to say hey to everybody that support the channel. That's pretty much all she wanted to say. Shout out to Chris, shout out to Cam, shout out to my boy Zeke, shout out to Barber Illuminati, and I don't know, shout out to everybody supporting this channel. Shout out to everybody on my Instagram, on my Facebook. Don't forget to add me on Instagram, custom_made_cuts. Those of you that are showing love to this channel, I appreciate everything y'all do. Thanks for support, and here's the final product right here.